Hello guys, what's up? And today I am going to discuss a very important topic, and it's all about the lesson of English. Basically, whatever I to discuss right now, it's common to everyone. Okay, and there are several problems arise. Lots of people they can understand English, but eventually they could not speak, and it's common to everyone. Today I'm going to discuss this topic, and welcome to SouvikDattaArkaExclusive. This is SouvikDatta. Let's get started, guys. Today I'm going to discuss very important topic, and whatever I know, this topic is literally common everyone, and basically they can understand English, but somehow they could not speak in English. So this is major problem. So that's why I do discuss right now. Basically, guys, at the first question you would arise, why this thing happens to you? It's obvious question. I will give you answer. Guys, in India, I live in India. Obviously, that's why I know very well what's the problem. In India, there is a tradition. What's tradition? I would discuss right now. The tradition is, at the beginning point of time, it is to mug up all of the grammar rule. After that, you have to memorize all of the grammar rule. Then you have to use all of the grammar rule on your English language. And the several decades teacher learn in this way. It's no doubt good method, but the problem arises while people speak in English. Basically, they are habituated of these things, so that's why whenever they try to speak in English, at that point of time they have been thinking lot of things, such as first is whatever they speak a sentence in English, the sentence structure would be correct or not, the grammatical rule applied correctly or not on this particular sentence. Everything they memorized. After that they deliver a sentence in English. So that is the very major thing to bar you speaking English fluently. And the major thing would be, guys, whenever people try to speak in English, at that point of time they translate. They basically translate their native language. Then basically at the first beginning point of time they think in native language, then they translate to English, from native to English. So it's quite time taken whenever they speak in English. So that's why they can't speak. It's obvious whenever you try to translate all of the things whatever you have been thinking from native language to English, it's obvious at the point of time you can't speak. So this problem arising in India, and I hope you can arise also this problem, but I will give you proper solution of that. So right now whatever I discuss, all of the things are why this is happening to everyone. Now I do discuss very positive way so that you can speak well. So basically guys, what is the positive, what is the solution of that? The solution is imitate. Okay guys, imitate means you have to observe in your surroundings some persons can speak very well in English, or you can see in YouTube there are several YouTubers doing very well to speak in English, and sorry for that. And whatever you like, you do choose their imitation. You whatever you like, you imitate them. Imitate means observe how they talk in English, how they can speak in English, what's the way to deliver in English. So everything you will have to observe and imitate, and after that you have to deliver in your way, in practical manner. So that is the way to speak in English fluently, and then you can speak well, very well. Trust me guys. I hope whatever solution I had given you will be beneficial. So guys, this is for it. And guys, lastly I would say, in daily basis you have to practice writing. Whatever you have been going through in your mind, you have to write. You have to write with the help of an English language. And while you're doing that, then your speaking power would be better, much better before. So that's why lastly I do suggest, if you do writing in your daily life, then somehow it would be good for you. So this is all of this guys. I hope you enjoy this session. With this I will come to the end. If you really enjoy this session, let me know. If you have any suggestion to me how to improve my video, and if I do anything wrong, then you can suggest me. I would love to learn you guys. I would love to reply all of your comments. Leave a comment now and I will definitely do that. Hope you're doing well. With this I will wrap up. In coming days I will be back soon with another video. With this I will come to the end guys. Goodbye guys.